Welcome to Blockchain Vein. Make sure to like and subscribe. Open on a simple premise, a dot on a screen, a paddle, and a ball. This was Pong, the first commercially successful video game that marked the beginning of a revolution. Fast forward 50 years, and gaming has evolved into a multi-billion-dollar industry, offering immersive experiences and lifelike characters, thanks to the power of artificial intelligence. Journey back to the early days, when gaming was a novelty. Arcade machines lined up in shopping malls, and 8-bit characters hopped across television screens. These games were simple, yet they laid the groundwork for the complex, AI-driven games we see today. The advent of the personal computer in the late 70s and early 80s brought games like Pac-Man and Space Invaders into homes. These games, while still simple by today's standards, introduced elements of AI. The ghosts in Pac-Man, for example, each had their unique personalities coded into the game, showcasing a primitive form of AI. The 90s saw further advancements with the introduction of 3D graphics and more sophisticated AI. Games like Half-Life and The Elder Scrolls featured non-playable characters that could interact with players, respond to their actions, and even exhibit rudimentary decision-making skills. In the early 21st century, the exponential growth of technology allowed for even more significant AI advancements. Games like Fear and The Sims introduced characters with complex behaviors and emotional states, creating a more immersive gaming experience. The present day is a testament to how far gaming and AI have come. From open-world games with intricate ecosystems to virtual reality experiences that blur the lines between the real and virtual worlds, AI is at the heart of it all. It's shaping narratives, guiding player experiences, and even creating content. Peering into the future, the potential for AI in gaming is vast. There's talk of emotionally aware games that can adapt to the player's mood, providing a deeply personalized experience. There's also the potential for AI to preserve cultures by creating virtual worlds that accurately reflect our diverse societies. In summary, AI has been integral to the evolution of gaming, transforming it from a simple pastime to an immersive, interactive experience. Starting from the humble beginnings of Pong, AI has guided the journey to complex, emotionally aware games, shaping narratives and creating content along the way. The future holds promise of even more advancements, with potential for AI to create deeply personalized experiences and preserve cultures. As we move forward, one thing is certain: the marriage of AI and gaming will continue to redefine our perception of reality, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the virtual world. AI is not just a part of the game, it's also a part of the development process. Developers are leveraging the power of AI in procedural generation, creating vast and intricate worlds that would be otherwise impossible to manually design. Every mountain, forest, or city you see in your favorite open-world games could potentially be the work of an AI, tirelessly crafting unique and immersive environments. AI also plays a crucial role in testing and debugging games. It can simulate thousands of gameplay hours in a matter of minutes, identifying potential issues and bugs that human testers might miss. This not only makes the development process more efficient, but also ensures a smoother and more enjoyable experience for the gamer. Furthermore, AI helps in creating realistic graphics and physics. It can analyze real-world data to create lifelike lighting, weather effects, and character movements. The result is a game that looks and feels incredibly real, blurring the lines between the virtual and the physical world. In conclusion, AI is revolutionizing the way games are made, making the process more efficient and the results more impressive. The games of tomorrow will not just be played by AI, they will also be built by it. As we have seen, AI is instrumental in the development process, but it's also playing a crucial role in game design. AI is used to create dynamic and responsive game environments. These environments react to player actions, making the game world feel more alive and immersive. A forest fire might spread based on wind direction, or a city's economy could rise and fall based on player decisions. This level of dynamism was unthinkable in the pre-AI era. AI is also used in designing complex game mechanics. For example, in strategy games, AI can manage the behavior of hundreds of units on the battlefield, each with its own objectives and tactics. This makes for a more realistic and challenging gameplay experience. Moreover, AI is used to create adaptive difficulty levels. The game can analyze a player's performance and adjust the difficulty in real time. This ensures that the game is always challenging but never frustrating, providing a tailored experience for each player. In conclusion, AI is making games more engaging and challenging, tailoring the experience to each player. It's safe to say that without AI, the games we play today would be far less compelling and immersive. AI is also changing the way players interact with games. One of the most noticeable ways is through non-player characters, or NPCs. AI is used to create intelligent and responsive NPCs that can interact with players in realistic ways. They can have conversations, respond to player actions, and even form relationships, adding depth and realism to the game world. AI is also used in creating realistic player avatars. These avatars can mimic player movements and expressions in real time, creating a more immersive and personal gaming experience. But perhaps the most exciting application of AI is in creating dynamic and adaptive game narratives. Using AI, games can analyze player decisions and actions to adapt the storyline in real time. This means that every decision you make can have a real impact on the game world and the narrative, creating a truly unique and personal gaming experience. In conclusion, AI is making games more immersive and interactive, creating a more engaging player experience. It's not just about playing a game anymore, it's about living it. As we look ahead, the future of AI in game development is nothing short of exciting. Imagine a world where AI becomes so advanced, it can create games autonomously, from conceptualizing unique storylines to designing intricate game environments. This could not only revolutionize game development, but also bring forth a myriad of games that are beyond our wildest imaginations. Moreover, AI is poised to take virtual reality, or VR, to new heights. With the help of AI, VR experiences can become more realistic and immersive than ever before. Imagine exploring virtual worlds that react to your every move, or interacting with virtual characters that respond to you in real time, just like real people would. The line between virtual and reality is set to blur even further. Lastly, AI is set to make games more personal. Game narratives that adapt and evolve based on your decisions are just the beginning. With advanced AI, games could learn from you, adapting not just the narrative, but the entire game world, the challenges, and even the gameplay mechanics to your playstyle and preferences. This could create a gaming experience that is truly unique to each player. In conclusion, the future of AI in game development promises to bring even more exciting and immersive experiences to players. As we step into this future, we're not just playing games, we're living them.